Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene and I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. Thank you for being here. And today I have a subscription box. It's bag, I should say. It's the Ipsy Glam Bag for the month of September. I'm still waiting for my box. It should be here soon and I'll get that one out to you as soon as possible. So anyway, here we go. Let's get to it. Okay, friends, gonna pull out the bag. Let's see what we got here. It's another cute bag, as always. Probably not my favorite bag. They've been doing really cute ones this year, so this probably is not as cute as a lot of the other ones we've gotten this year, but I like the pole. It's always got this, it's got this little blue pole, and the bag has a green zipper. It's pink inside. And it's just got little swirlies and free flowing. Anyway, okay, so let's just get in here and get started. Let's see what we pull out first here. Okay, so here's the bag. Now last month I loved the bag, but I wasn't too excited about what was in it. This month I hope is going to be a little bit better. So here we go. I'm going to pull out the first product, and the first product is from Innisfree, and it is a Cherry Blossom Glow Jelly Cream. This is a moisturizer, and I don't know if it smells like cherry blossom, but it's supposed to hydrate and glow. It's kind of a cute little sample size, cute little kind of wide. Yeah, it is covered. I don't know if I can get the smell. Okay, I'm not gonna undo this until I'm ready to use it, but it feels like there's a decent amount in there. So a nice little moisturizer, good for travel, whatever. So that's our first item. And the next item I'm pulling out here is another little thing. This is from Appeal, and this is, all right, so this is from Appeal Cosmetics. Cute little heart on it. There's kind of a lot, feels like there's a lot in here. This is a Melon Crush Sugar Scrub. So it's for the body, and a nice little sugar scrub. Let me see if it's sealed, which it is, which is good. Another item, I'll wait until I want to use it, but I will definitely use this because I like to keep these in my shower. So that's the second item. The third item I'm pulling out, I just don't know what, there's a box in here. Let's see what this is. Okay, this is Pixie by Petra, and this is an eye define waterline, I believe. Yes. Valued at $14. It's a full-size product. It's always nice to get a full-size product in your glam bag. So I'm thinking if it's a waterline, it might, I don't know if it's black. Let me see what it is. So here's what it looks like. And it is a black right there. I like the feel of it. I like that, and I'm wondering, has anyone used this? If they specify waterline, so it must work good on the waterline. So I'm assuming. So let's, let me see if I can do anything with it real quick. Let me get my handy dandy mirror here. Gonna try this. Okay, that seemed to go right on. Okay, so there's the other, and I put today, I don't do it always, but I put the, it's kind of a light chalky pink color that you put on your water lines, and it's supposed to make you look more awake. And I used that, and it kind of made me look more tired, to be honest. I don't know what it did. It made me look different. But I still have a little bit of that on, so this just went on right over it. So anyway, I'm excited about that product, and that it's a full-size product, so that's good. Okay, so the fourth item, or was that the fourth? 1, 2, 3. Oh, I think there must be one in my bag. Yep, I got a brush. I'm not sure what kind of a brush this is. If it's a blending, it's kind of a long feathered, so I don't know. I guess you could use it as a highlighter. It feels like a nice brush, but anyway, so that's another full-size item, a brush. So anyway, there's that. And the last thing I have in here, they consider this a full-size item also, so that's kind of exciting. If I got 3 full-size, and then these other 2 items were pretty decent samples. So this is from Pink Lips, and it's an eyeshadow palette. This is called the Sweet Fall Mini Eyeshadow Palette from Pink Lips. It's trying to mimic, I believe it's trying to mimic Natasha Denona. You know, the eyeshadow palettes, I don't think it's going to be able to compare to it, but looks like they're making a nice try at it. Trying to get this open. I have so much trouble opening things. So, here we go. It's definitely fall. Right here, there we go. It's kind of warm toned colors, which I don't usually go for. I think that this will end up in a giveaway because I doubt it's going to be one I'll go to. So anyway, but it was kind of a nice thing. I do think I picked this product. I think there might have been 2 color stories, and I got the one that I wouldn't like. But anyway, there's that. So I got the eyeshadow palette, the Pink Lips eyeliner pencil right here, and I got the brush and the sugar scrub in the cutest bottle. It's a pretty decent size. It should last several showers. And then I got the Innisfree Cherry Blossom Gold Jelly Cream Moisturizer. So anyway, there's my 5 items. Like I said, I would rate this pretty high. I like this bag this month, especially compared to last month. It's all items I would use. Not sure about I have so many brushes that may end up going in my giveaway pile too. I have quite the pile stashed up, so I need to do a giveaway. So anyway, I will definitely use this Pixie eyeliner, and I believe I will use these other 2 things. So 3 out of 5 are items that I'm excited about using. The others will make a nice nice giveaway items. So anyway, what do you think? That's my Ipsy Glam Bag. I pay $16 a month for this, and it's just like worth it. I don't know, it's just fun. I know you guys hear it every time. I love the bags. I think the bags are so fun. And I just got rid of a bunch of them because my husband was making fun of how many I had. And so I'm kind of bummed because I already got rid of them, and I'm thinking I would have used those to give bags away, like in my giveaways. So anyway, but I do have some, so I'll put some together to give away to you guys. So I'll have a good giveaway. So anyway, that's it for the Glam Bag. I'm looking forward to the boxycharm by Ipsy, so that should be coming anytime soon. And let me know what you think. Let me know in the comments if there's any items you've tried, and if you have any comments on them, or if there's something that you would, what was your favorite or whatever, just let me know. Thank you for being here. I love your support, and I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.